Stars? I'll give you stars. Come on, you creepy ass sucker. You want stars? I'll give you stars.
Ja, natürlich, haben wir doch noch schön drin, oder nicht? Diese Schweine.
Come on, you creepy ass sucker. You want stars? I'll give you stars. Come on, you creepy ass sucker. You want stars? Oh, hey, where is he? You guys see
Hello all.
She's so good, you're right. I know you want this high. You made me a face, you know I want to go. I told you once, but you're about the time. I told you till my time. Till my time. Till my time. Till my time. It's the one. I don't have enough forever. I can't be the one. I know I don't see forever. I just think I'm done. Maybe you forgot it. We tried it more than once. Yeah. No much to say. Nowhere to be. No much to stay. You know I'll leave. Stay away. You know where stay away. You know where I can be. She's so good. You're you. you stars. Stars, stars, stars. I'll give you stars. Stars. I'll give you stars.
Motherfucking Hoozo. Yo, what up? Hello, and welcome back to Asphalt Legend Unite on this episode 206 on DJ Wargin. Hold on. Death Nation CP? No, not even. It is Death Nation CP. Oh my god, it's Death Nation for real. Oh, for fucking sake. Can somebody kill me? We have to... damn it, even the title is wrong, Dan. I was asleep before I just was doing this because the work was a little bit fucked up today. No problem. Real oder so. Okay. There we go. That's the change. That's the change. Yeah, change the coins before you go over the seas. It's cracked. Yeah, whatever. And just we just collecting together and just seeing what's going on in the career mode, single player mode, whatever. I just break my foot up. I don't. Have fun. Good night. Again? It's 90:50, man. Alright, 7 o'clock and 50 p.m. So it's cracked because Americans don't can whatever. They just don't have the military time or something. It's cracked. So let's do some music. Si, senor. Ich hab da so ein Problem. Gehen wir mal zurück. Oh mein Gott, das ist ein Deutscher. Was ist das? What is this? A German? I don't know what's going on in here. Well, if you speak like that, well, let's just hang yourself or something's cracked. I can't believe it. Can we go forward with this fucking jam or something's cracked? You just want to connect something with my headset? You piece of crack. Ah, well, I'll live with that. Oh, you piece of shit. You don't want to actually quit. Oh, you are son of a mother and have a keyboard. No. No. I just give a fuck what you're just doing.
Live jam from my Spotify playlist, or you wanna hear? URL.
No. I don't want. And who just pushed the music in this game? Son of a mother tuck. Get away. Yeah, well, that's very important actually. Someone, seriously, D10. Fuck, shut up. Here we go. Thank you very much. Yeah, you looked up. Ich hab gepaart in der Schraube, ich hab jetzt Goldbrust und mit mir geschissen. Also mir scheißegal, wie es da stinkt. Oh, da kannst du mir langsam wieder zusammenwischen, hat er gesagt. Sollte dein Onkel vorbeibringen, da mit dem Güllefaus. Tequila. La pinga la Rauchbauer. Madre. Oh wow, it was saving. Okay. So go yourself this up. Oh. No. Ah, ist das nicht schön, jemanden zu beleidigen? Naja. Dem geht auch schon langsam mittlerweile das Toilettenpapier aus. Oh, very close. One day. Oh, come on, 25. Are you kidding me? Yo, with your ass wide open, privileges, your mother tongue. Privileges. Alright. You mock. I'm thirsty. You know what's going on? As a barbarian, I'm thirsty. Taru Tara Pakok! Cheers up. Ah, wow, that is awesome. A nice tequila inside of it. Ah. Könnt schwören, ich hätte niesen können. Ah, machen wir später, Junge. Auch schon so. Gestern schon? The ass sucker. She gives you the stars. Stars. Let me chill out. Right. Whoa, the ashtray is completely, extremely full. Holy moly. I just was smoking in the morning time. I think we got actually a live stream that was running on as well in the morning time, right? It was for 10 hours? Oh no. Wow. 17 hours. Ja, schießt euch doch. Oh, mir ist langweilig. Was machen wir jetzt? Sich gegenseitig in die Schnauze hauen oder was? 1, 2, Haarei! Oh, ich hab was vergessen, bevor ich meine Zigarillo anzünde. So, Opfer du, also ich halt, ich rede nur mit mir selber, keine Panik. Ich möchte niemanden beleidigen. Hier, Hushaus. Ah, Face blöd. Was ist denn das hier? Facebook. Was ist denn ein Schmuddelsender? Which has a dirty side of filthy and stuff like this. So, here we go. Got it. Gestern schon. Oder was soll ich jetzt da wieder wählen? Oder es ist immer so kurz davor vor Weihnachten oder so in der Richtung. Oh, ich hab was. 3 von 15, aber nur. I have no money, dude. What is this? All the times with the SL talking. You son of a game. Ah, passt schon, hat er gesagt. Sind wir hier? Puta madre. Haben wir es noch, oder? Du Zipfi. Ach, schaut doch eh keiner zu. Wie es noch so. 275. You've done something. Just buy it, goddammit. Why don't you just put it on to this crack of the crack? Hololive. Man, the last time, I'm so sorry. I have to tell that. I was watching some Hololive AI, maybe it was AI. How are they just doing that? They're talking what they're seeing on the live stream, right? It's like that girl or whatever was playing Lights P or something, right? and that girl was all the times was actually talking about that game, how horrifying or some specify or wonderful this game was, and being R and this Persian I like so much. I like sliding and stuff. Non-stop stupid talking. I was waking yesterday up with a headache, and I mean I was actually broken. Or was it this morning? I don't know. What the fuck? Is the HoloLive just only AI? It's not an anime or something manga. It's just, what is this? God damn it! Since I got this one in this month, I'm playing for and stuff. Man, I just say, I just want to have order figures actually from Amazon. You know, I have already, and I got all these girls you have to stick together, puppets and stuff. And I already want you pin up in the wall. What the fuck is this? Is this AI generated crap? This HoloLive? I'm completely fucked up, you know. It really pisses me off. I just was waking up and she was talking blah 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 nonsense as hell. I can't even talk like that shit. Well, that's the first time a girl was so annoying to me. I was even saying in my sleep, "Shut up." Then I was woken up and I was seeing that it was running on my YouTube. I'm watching YouTube videos generally, actually, but then that comes up 4 hours long. I was waking up with an actually very get pissed off tone. Man, I'm not actually being pissed off or something for a girl, but that was really make me angry. Yeah, fucking heck. Oh, I just want to have the Lexus get fucking hell. How many days we have left? 5 days. That's fine ass. Mother puta. HoloLive. What is this? You wish? Look at that Honda. Ah, that's the miserable. I hate that track. Just drift. But collecting 75 is a piece of modern hell. Cheers up. Campai, Nastrovi, salut, folk, groß Diener spielen. I'm not a quitter, y'all. Blah blah blah. Oh, okay, that's something else. A million? Let's buy in. Let's buy. Is that German even? I think that's German English. The hell that shit. Let's buy in. God thanks, after actually 20 minutes already forgot what I'm talking about. You wanna help us out or something a little while? Would be nice, you know? I don't care, man. Oh, what we have to be done with that stuff? Oh, got it. Oh, can we go? Dozo? Arigato. Let me guess, we can't actually snap something. Or we have to win. I'm not sure. Is that the account we have to win? Yeah, we have to win in here. Alright. Alright. Calm down, you feet. So the S model didn't won. The A model is giving a fuck, so oh gosh, we have to drop that one. No, better this one. Let's do the Great Britain Brum Brum or something like that. Alright. Man, I'm so childish, I fucked up. I need a beer. Hey, happy weekend anyway, by the way. Not for Los Angeles. They already have 13 o'clock. Cheers. The Japanese already have 4 o'clock in the morning. It's already Saturday. Kanbarimasu. What's going on? Yo, my controller. Why is it going backwards? Keep on moving, maybe? Aha, here we go. The fuck? Why is it all the time going backward? This game is fucked up. How should we win and all? We don't win. You will lose possible rewards you can earn finish the race. Plus the resources you used to start this race. Ja. Alles gut mit dir. You just want to go restart? Did I say console? Oh yeah, I'm sorry for that one. I'm a mother tucker. Cheers. Why am I so talkful today? I mean, I just was sleeping 1 hour. 1 hour, I'm sober. What the fuck's going on? This is? Nonsense. But I am. Ganbarimasu. Suddenly it's rain. Yokodai. Oh, they are. Puta madre. This car is heavy somehow. Dang. Don't wank. That what the fuck? Come on, sweetheart. You ulti made it. Why are you so lame? Wow, I can't even. What the fuck? I can't win this one. Why? Man, once at the Defnation CPU account, I was so easy to deal done. I can't win. No thanks about it. I disagree. What is wrong with these cars? Fucking crack. Yeah, well then. Man, 96. Okay. I'll be hating y'all. I just want to win this one in here. Alright, whatever. Just, you know, drift that way and collect. Yeah, collecting is the worst. That's the point. These Japanese road, right? Let's keep on moving then. What do you want from us? Shut the crack. Never show again. Yeah, you show all the times again. Stick up your ass. You should be cracked off. Nothing makes sense anymore in here.
Let the Euro guide you to the finish line. I have high hopes for you.
Whoa, where the car goes. Don't forget to drift. Are you Genki that? Oh, my Honda's got. Bevor ich ja gleich selber einen Scheiß zusammen. I was telling you, 60 you need and then drift. Ah, crack, yeah. 60 we need and then drift. I'm sorry, my mistake, my mistake. This road is this route, better say, is a piece of crack. I'm so sorry for that one. I apologize, my idiotical actually driving system. Are we still trying? Yeah. Spish shake. Spish shake. Somebody knows spish shake? Everything's good. I got shut up, right? Is somebody listening in Spotify pin up? Have fun. Oh my gosh. What am I at?
Just think of it as the Autobot. Unlimited speed!
Your posture. Habe ich sie aus dem Rhythmus rausgebracht? Kommt schon. Was ist los mit dir? Why are you not doing that? Oh. You have to need 75, right? And then drift. Yeah. Oh, but really launch it. Holy moly. Why shall we do that? Yes! Oh, we couldn't do that, right? Oh, sorry for that one. But if you're starting up in the beginning, you fuck really up. You can't actually get coins, or music coins, tokens, whatever they're calling. Damn it! I'm so ashamed. Yeah, well, whatever. If you wanna trigger something like 20k, here we go. Basha. Kenpai. Choose up. Ah. The hell, this is not... How you wanna do done that? The time is ticking. The time is ticking, my man. And the struggle, man. The struggle. Get the whip actually on the road and get it in motion. The struggle continues.
Always give it their best. So, Jailbird, get in there and
Huzo. Itza-yo. Of course, yes, do that. Into the river. Come on, sweetheart. Go a bit forward. Come on. Oh gosh, no. Oh no. Just drifting. That's just a drift. Oh, mother in hell. Alright, we don't can do that. That was just an incident or something. I should did that. Wow. I quit. I quit. I just, this is not my day. This is pervert. Twice you just did that? For an accident? Oh, mother in hell. I was drunk or something was cracked. Okay, let's wash out. Nothing to be done in here. Nothing to be done in here. Nothing to be done in here. Look at the Fabi or something. Oh, crack. Holy, look at that. The Glickenhausen. Collect the 90. We just did 100. I should be movable about that one. Alright. 60 twice on Nitro. Oh gosh. There's a lot to be done in here. Just gonna pop up the car or something was cracked? No, I'm talking about that AI, but that fuck the shit. Hey, SA, come on, move on. Oh, I'm not sure about that one. We already did 100. What is wrong with my keyboard? Ah, the stupid USB 2.0. Rest in peace. Oh, that's music, man. How you gonna overclock it? 360, eh? And the 50 seconds nitro. What's it, these girls? What, they're so jammy? She's auch keine Schrobi zu dieser Lütvoll Prostina geschissen. Oh my gosh. Drink up. Maybe some milk or something you're drinking. You are milk. You know these, the Elder of Scrolls, you are a milk drinker. I love that. Just coming closer to these people, you know, these, the Elder of Scrolls Skyrim or something, you are a milk drinker. Oh, whoa, what happened here? You son of a crack. A milk drinker, huh? So I'm a milk drinker. I just actually do that a Sunday when I'm eating cakes or something. Everything's good. But that is so awesome. So you're a milk drinker. No, I'm a dragonborn Gunbottomos.
Let's go get that dub! That W!
They must talk. Gunbottomos!
You can do it!
Yo. Yamamoto, you have to change. Huh? Well, we have to be done 360, right? So we don't need to change. Everything's good. 2 in a rush to go. You don't give minutes and seconds and... Is that okay? 100 we have to be done? Not yet. Yeah, gotcha. Wow. Whenever, whatever, I don't know how the hell I just did that. Oh. A 75 we needed, right? Oh god, mother in hell, 4 fucking music icons. You're an idiot! Yes! I am a bloody idiot! Oh gosh. I'm so shameful. What is going on today? Sometimes it feels like they made to use that to say, oh, 90 we need. Okay, shoot myself. Oh my gosh. I pumped the car up. What is these super overclocking time save? The overclocking makes so much. I can't do it. Get away. I can't overclock anymore. Damn it. Oh my gosh. And then these are just running out, right? We had to be done the best. So once I try, and let's keep on moving then. Let's go to career. This is time wasting. Oh, shoot. Spread right for the V8. It's actually 10, right? Why are you so crying in my ears? Cheers. That's the future. They will hold it back then. Not so good, Marty. Aha! Outside. Okay, outside we have to go. Oh, come on, stop doing that. Oh no! Oh, it starts again. That was the trick point. Oh, crack. I never forgot that one. Alright, alright, alright. Everything's good. Learning by doing. Or doing by just breaking my fucking foot up in my ass. This is the unruly. Unreal? Nitro. Oh my god, I couldn't do that one. Loser! 360 twice. Come on, wow. I'm the quitter, yo. Thanks for the money. Oh my hellness. Blamage. What's for the bagage? Look at that music playing. I think I need to get the taller, man. That's something. And so, how are you getting done? How's it going? That's 4K, right? Oh, Genki desu ka? Or Genki desu, let us say. How you doing? No commentary today? Tonight? Nothing? Ich muss mal scheißen gehen, Entschuldigung. Oh meine ganzen Finger, Alter, komplett aufgesprungen, Alter, von dem dämlichen Mörtel, von dem Verpressen, Alter. Die schauen aus, als hätte ich in der Erde rumgegraben. I think my fingers are looking like actually I'm the death personally in here, something's cracked. Shard around actually the earth system is cracked. The sewers are just drawn up. Hollow light. That music is really pissing me off. It's like fast, you know. I was actually woke up today after 1 hour actually laying down, but -4 on that. Kind of say switch off. You have to be done with that. It's so amazing that you can really hear actually music. Slow it down. I love that. And that nonsensely GTA as she was playing, it comes like, oh, get the cherry into motion. So what is going on in here? Uh-huh. The music is awesome then. I can't explain, but this is so fucking weird. -4, you just tap on and stuff. Just fun. So cleaned up already. Oh, you must be an asshole. Where's my work, man? The shower cleaned up, the floor already cleaned up. That's my work, man, before I was going to sleep. But that was for 1.5 hours? I can't believe that. I just was sleeping 1 hour. Ah, whatever. Just getting old or something, this crack. I'm trying to go pee. Why are you just flushing, man? Oh, gosh. Hurry, 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 hurry! It's gonna be Sunday. Ah, Saturday? There was no Saturday. But I gotta work tomorrow and all this stuff. When you come home, the boss come home and kind of say, I have work for you. I say, you're alrighty. This kind of, we already bricklaying, we are construction workers, and now you have work again for us. But you're not doing that by yourself. Dang. Even the son is home. I hate you. I can't pee. Oh, that's a dry situation. I'll ask about you. How the hell is going on with you? Did you survive through it? Your job? Nothing. No commentary. Must be children's. Maybe they're just watching to have fun. I don't know. Ha! Nobody's watching anymore. Good luck. Good night. Tadaimasu, by the way. Ganbarebasu. It's amazing how this works.
Go get that dog!
Why are you crying all the times in the ears? Wanna have a warm coffee with me? Let's talk about that crack. Why is this so bad? Mateka.
Oh, that W! That way!
Yeah.
That you can do
Let's
it!
keep on. Whatever. Pain. Run. Oh, on the Scott. Oh wow, I can't do it. I quit. Okay, let's go to career. Fuck this guy. I really hate this one. Whatever you just didn't done with us. Why is this so fucked up? I'm so sorry. Nope. I just put so much actually energy into this. I can't beat this crack. Hello, I just want to pick something. Why you just come up with that asshole. I don't need that. Go away. Just go away. And nobody's watching anymore. Okay, and then I have a losing time then. And the mic is off. Have fun. Gosh, be driving a shine or something is cracked. Was für eine Pin? Was für eine Pin muss ich jetzt erstellen? Was ist das denn für eine Scheiße? Was ist das für eine Rotz, Alter? Gestern habe ich noch reden können mit ihm und jetzt muss ich schon eine Pin eingeben. Was ist das für ein Rotz? Ich weg jetzt mit deiner Option, Alter. Wow. I love it. And we at least 7th position. Yeah, that's crap. Ah, let me drive. God damn it. Impossible to win anywhere. Anywhere anymore. It doesn't matter. Son of a bitch! What do you want from me? Stupid face fuck! Hat doch keinen Zugriff für diesen Chat. Wow, bist du was Besonderes oder was? I can talk to her. What the fuck? Erstelle eine Pin, um deine Chats nicht zu verlieren. Ah, halt das Maul, du Huso. Ach, weißt du was? Leck mich doch am Arsch, geh doch weg. Scheiß Facebook, Alter. Scheiß Facebook. Fuck you, Zuckerberg. Fuck you. You piece of shit. Scheiß verdammter Trump-Anhänger, Alter. Rassist, du Hurensohn. Du dämliches Arschloch, Rassisten-Hurensohn. Schwein, Zuckerberg und Microsoft-Darsteller. Du mieses Schwein. Ihr seid der letzte Dreck, seid ihr. Der F-16 gehört ja drüber gefahren. Ihr habt überhaupt keine Ahnung mehr. Scheiß Amerikaner, scheiß Amerikaner. Nur Krieg, 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 Krieg. Das macht ihr doch. Ihr verdammten Arschficker, Alter. Atombomben gehören auf Amerika geworfen. drauf geschissen auf euch. Dreckiges, scheißverdammtes Amerika. Ihr könnt nicht mal Autos entwerfen. 90% hier von den Autos sind deutsche Werksarbeit. 90%! Selbst die Großbritannien haben wir eingekauft. Ihr habt einen Scheiß, Alter. Mein Stolz, Alter. Ihr seid der letzte Dreck, Amerika. Der letzte Dreck. Der letzte Dreck seid ihr. Ich hab das schnellste Auto und verliere hier noch. What the fuck? I'm the only guy actually with a PlayStation 4 Pro. Everybody else actually have a PlayStation 4, Xbox Sex or whatever. That's it. And computer system, yeah, whatever. Cheaters, they're calling them cheaters. They have it so easily actually beating down. Oh nee, geh weg. Härtet ist jetzt verdammt, dass Amerika der letzte Dreck ist. Wir Deutschen geben einen Haufen Geld aus, Alter. Wir geben und spenden der Welt Geld. Unsere Steuern, unsere verdammte Erwirtschaftung, Alter. Der letzte Dreck. Wir müssen zahlen dafür. Für euch. Ich steche euch ab, Alter. Das ist eine Investition, Alter. Gib ich mal 223.000 oder 243.000 Millionen, 243 Millionen einfach weg. Ihr seid der letzte Dreck. Ich hasse euch. Jedes einzelne Land wird eigentlich eingenommen. Richtig eingenommen. Scheiß Fotzen, Alter. Hey, alles klar. Das kannst du dir ja leisten, oder? Du Huso. Wird schon werden. schon. Was für ein Scheiß, Alter. Was für ein Scheiß, Alter. Ich hasse Online-Mode. Multiplayer ist totaler Schwachsinn. Geh doch nach Hause, Alter. Du Huso. Da könnt ihr gleich wieder schlafen gehen, Alter. Just need actually directly to go to sleep. Fuck this crap. This fucking Huso fucking multiplayer. I just, you know, is it the real or something? You have to talk about AI and life and all this stuff. And fuck this NV, whatever, this VI, and I just give a fuck on this NVP. Fuck, this is not working. It's not working. If you just have something like server crapping, it's not working. As a German. Maybe you have a problem with these NVP, whatever they call. Fuck this crack. Everybody makes commercial about these burgers and all this stuff. Shut the fuck up. The NVPN is not working, or NPN, whatever they call. Because I'm even starting up these VPN actually for myself. Why these NVP, whatever they call? Everybody makes commercial. Stroke off. This is not working for me. It's a disaster. Maybe it's working in America for themselves, but that's it. Wow. You fucker. Fuck you, influencer. Fuck every one of yours. I really want to rip off your fucking heads. Have no respect about actually peoples that are a little bit down. You are the masterpiece, right? Kind of middle one, you give a fuck already, and you just give a fuck actually about the down below like I am. Since actually 15 years I'm live streaming, nobody cares. And then they're making NordVPN or something to the masterpiece shit. Nothing, man. It's a disaster. You pay a lot, 50 euros, actually dollars for the fucking VPN, and nothing works. Nothing. Shut the fuck up with your fucking commercials. I'm seriously pissed off with this shit. Passt schon. Ich hab keinen Bock mehr weiter zu zocken, Alter. Es ist einfach Bullshit. Livestreams sind der Bullshit, Alter. Kein Bock mehr, Alter. Muss doch ein Hart, ja. Ich bin so dermaßen, das ist echt zum Kotzen. Für was machen wir das überhaupt noch? Scheiß die Welt an. Es langweilt mich. Do you got a BMW IA roaster? No, we don't have, but we have the Jump 9. Yeah, Jump 9. 9 times jump. Let's keep on moving. Cheers. Ah, you asshole! Really? Oh no! Oh gosh! You're being a piece of shit! Arbeit droppt it. Es funktioniert einfach gar nicht heute. Functionality is 0 on my side. It's just a piece of shit. Four times, we fucked up 2 times. Where are these other ones? Alright, whatever, that race is lost. Yeah, whatever.
Hi.
As I'm down.
Velo hello.
Do the jump, yo. What the fuck? That's maybe 7 chums. How you just want to do done 9 chums? A bullshit game. I'm very disappointed. I say hello, hello. Is that a problem? Oh, really? Oh gosh, we're losing. Oh, fucking hell. How doing? What's up? Genki desu? Why is this generation so fast, but have no knowledge? You have no knowledge! 80s, 90s or something, I just woke up. Fucking sake, there was knowledge in Fast to be, but there was rest all the time. My eyes hurting. I'm a construction worker. I have so many things in my eyes. Nobody respect that. Was it fast, fast, fast? Fuck this shit. Sure. Speed up and let's keep it moving. Oh gosh. AI. That's the next life. That's the next generation. Nobody's drifting. You need to be perfect. Fuck off. In the race. Ach komm, leck mich doch am Arsch. Was ist das für eine Scheiße hier? Ich komme niemals. Das hat die Schnauze jetzt schon voll. Da staut sich einiges zusammen. Der schreibt nicht mal zurück. Ich schreibe noch so eine Rede von, geht's dir gut oder so. Der will kein Gespräch führen, oder? No, not even starting up the conversation or something's cracked. Nothing. Just saying hello. Is this AI or something? Hello? I don't know what's going on in here. I'll leave the place then. Gosh. YouTube is a piece of shit. A place for children. You have to be over 18, but doesn't matter. You can be actually 6 years old. Wow. Money, 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 money. Shut the fuck up, you Hurensohn. Hurensohn. Huso. We're not talking about the V8, V12 or something. We have to talk about these live streamers, influencers, these assholes. What is this? This is not live. No, definitely not live anymore. You piece of shit. How you can fuck your girlfriend? I mean, all the times you're talking about, oh yeah, the influencer was a piece of shit. That guy was a piece of shit. Music maybe helped me out. You're not gonna actually a stiffy or something, you piece of crack. Incontinent. You just may get. That is so, what the fuck? Just there to sit down, eating some apples, and pee. Ooh, wow. That's influencer life. That's why they don't have childrens. Influencer don't have childrens because they're impotent or something shit. They have no dick anymore. They're pussies. Influencers are pussies. So go fuck yourself, this shit. And you one of them because you're watching. What kind of an asshole you are. Play the game. Play with me. Have fun. You don't. Your dick size is maybe 6 centimeters and that's it. Shut the fuck up, you're talking about. Bloop 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 bloop. Hope you're masturbating right now, you piece of shit. That's future. Wonderful. Future. With your children, you're not paying my rent. You pieces asshole motherfuckers. I just pay extra rent already for my generation Silver Epsilon. Get lost, children. Come on, get away. Pangrias or something. This crap. Muy grande. Muy bien, oh, super money, Mr. Gataiwa. Seid der letzte Dreck, seid ihr. Kann ich hinkotzen. Rome, lass du warten. Rome. Oh, it's US Midwest. Okay, whatever the fuck it is. Ein Scheißleben. Verpisst euch! Fick das Knie. Jeder Einzelne. könnte Geld auf deinem Konto sein. Du Huso. Tackeln wir es dann. The fuck, is my controller not working at this crack? The fuck was that? You just really gave me off or something shit? You piece of shit. Oh, now it's the L1. You son of a motherfucking crap. Let's change it! You piece of shit! Es ist doch so dumm, Alter, es ist so dumm. Wie kann das nur passieren? Der scheiß Käse, oder? Los. Marade. Was da? Sind Dollar. Der Arbeitsgeber mit der Zigaretten immer raus und so. Mach das, mach jenes. Hey, du Sklaventreiber. Du mieses Stück Scheiße! Halt das Maul! Du hast nicht mal Ideen! Verpiss dich! Die Firma gibt's keine 2 Jahre mehr! Kein 1 Jahr mehr! Du Mist! Stück Dreck! Kannst die Firma Finster T-Shirts kannst du verbrennen. Du kümmerst dich nicht mal um uns. Du weißt nicht mal, wo wir hingehen wollen. Weil es dir scheißegal ist. Und so scheißegal ist es auch. Ich könnte echt ausrasten. Du Huso. Dir ist es doch egal, wie es uns geht. Fick dich ins Knie, Mann. Nimm das dann Marihuana oder so. Du Huso. Zeit dich anzuzeigen, Hurensohn. Oh, bla bla. Werden wir schon sehen. Alles schon hergerichtet für dich. Kündigung, Rechtfertigung, mach deinen Scheiß doch selber. Du Arschloch! Da war der Inside gefahren wird. Du Hurensohn! Du gönnst mir nicht mal das! Du bist so ein Arschspatz! Der Influencer Hurensohn! Der geköpft gehört! Alle Influencer gehören geköpft, Alter! Fickt euch ins Knie! Ihr seid nichts wert, außer bla 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 und über andere Videos lästern! Das könnt ihr am besten! Ich schneide euch den Hals ab, Alter! Ich hab die Schnauze mit euch voll! Ihr seid der letzte Dreck! Ihr quatscht nur die ganze Zeit. Kann ich leider nicht. Boah, ihr seid wirklich ekelhaft. Wie könnt ihr ins Bett gehen, Alter, dass ich gezahlt habe? Du Huso!
The sun is up. So when it down, get your money down. I put money down on all of us, on my people now. On what I love. Ooh, baby, it's dangerous. Your problems are just not the same. We're dealing with things you ain't seen before. We're dealing the weight of our ancestors. We're healing with ways that don't last long.
6 times I was in multiplayer. Okay, it's not counting. What kind of piece of shit is this? What the fuck? 1 time? Ah, daily rent. Go yourself. Yeah, wish I can learn something. Fuck, new girlfriend. Oh, how the hell? No! Yeah, that's... Oh, Fuck you! I don't want to drive there! You piece of shit! Ah, fuck this game. Fuck this shit game.